Odysseers, Mike Martin's here with the Mike Martin channel. Man, what do I got for you guys today? I got a story and a half. It's been brewing, so to say, for the last couple of days now, and it's really starting to pick up steam. What's happening? Well, Facebook is getting its butt kicked. Facebook is going to be the next MySpace. I've been saying that for the last 10 years. I had my other channels on lockdown. We'll get to that on what's happening and why we moved over to Odyssey and let's get over to what's happening with Facebook. So here it is. Facebook is losing users for the first time ever as parent company Meta reports decline. So what's happening? A day after Facebook reported that its streak of user growth has come to an end, the company stock is tanking. Parent company Meta reported Wednesday with the social media juggernaut experienced a decline in daily active users during the fourth quarter. It's the first time Facebook has ever reported a dip in that category. For the fourth quarter, Facebook had 1.9 billion daily active users compared to 1.93 billion in the previous quarter. Shares of Meta plunged 26% in Thursday afternoon trading. In prepared remarks made before Meta's quarterly earnings call, CEO Mark Zuckerberg cited competition, notably by TikTok. TikTok's going to hell. Well, TikTok is Chinese owned. Okay, never mind. They kind of a little bit loose on TikTok, so they allow certain things on TikTok because it's Chinese owned, and they want to destroy, or this could be a ploy for the Chinese to destroy more American-based businesses, so to say. I guess that could be an angle to see it as, eliminate your competition type of thing. It's happening. So here it is. I got the stock open. I've been watching it this morning. There it is right there. There it is for the last 5 days. It was going on an uptick. Then they got their, their calls and earnings and quarterly earnings. And Facebook is driven from user use. If there's less users, like Netflix is starting to tank a bit too. So is Google Alphabet when they discussed a 4-way split, I think it was. There it is. So let's look at the last 5 days. You get a better picture of it here. There it is in the last day. It is going down. So in today's trading day, right now, it's down $82.36 American dollars. It's down 26.15%. So people are jumping off Facebook, especially if they bought in when it was at 100. I think they did well. I think they just need to get the hell out before I think things start to hit the fan. So why do I have such a hate on for Facebook? Well, it's because I've been on Facebook for many years. This is my Facebook fan page. I have 113,000 followers, 41 people following. Now, the problem with this is I've contacted Facebook to let them know if they could verify my page. And they told me, unfortunately, Mike, we cannot verify your Facebook page because you are not a credible person. Meaning, I'm Catholic, I'm European, I'm a Portuguese. That's even worse. I have no college education or basically barely graduated from high school. That becomes a problem. And especially if you're Catholic and all that stuff, I'm Catholic, that whole 9 yards of stuff, that's a big no-no for Facebook. So Facebook doesn't want to be committing a crime by certifying people of existence with 113,000 followers. Now, what is woke go broke? So go get woke go broke. So dude, I went to Dick's last night, and the place was empty. What the hell? Man, didn't you hear? They stopped selling modern sporting rifles and hired a gun control lobbyist in D.C. All their actual spending customers went elsewhere. Get woke, go broke. Oh, hell yeah. So much of that board got canceled of shareholders meeting. So there it is right there. Get woke, go broke. Sorry, somebody's calling me at the same time I'm trying to make this video, so I can't see the screen. So there it is right there. So what happens is seeing a lot Broadway is failing. All this because they're appeasing to the leftists, or they're appeasing to people that just don't have money. They don't have buying power. They don't have generations of savings and the hand down of real estate and stuff. A lot of those people stay conservative. The people with money stay conservative because they want to conserve their ways. The people that have nothing to lose or have nothing or just, in serious debt, they're the ones that want everything to go woke and go broke, go woke, right? So here it is here. So there is my channel here. YouTube is the next one to go down. I have over 5,000 videos on 4,500 videos, and basically I don't get, I usually get 1 or 2 subscribers a year, maybe 10 subscribers a year. Been on YouTube for over 10 years now. And then, you know, but you're probably thinking, well, Mike, your stuff is probably junk and nobody really wants to watch it. Well, watch this. They shut me down when the convoy was arriving to Ottawa, so I wouldn't report on it. They shut me down. So the channel's been shut down for a week now since the. So watch this. If my stuff is junk, then why are they talking about the stuff? Why are they talking about stuff from 10 years ago happening now? Vancouver housing severely unaffordable. That's over 5 years because I haven't lived in Vancouver in many years. So look, watch this. They deleted so many of my videos, it's actually out of control. Oh, wow. They took down some of the major videos of me walking the streets. They're all gone. Housing market across Canada going up. Canadians unaffordability. I'm just trying to see where I could find. Serious housing crisis out of control. Wow, they're taking down videos like crazy. Vancouver housing now unaffordable. And from 5 years ago. Watch this. Vancouver's now in a housing bubble. 15% foreign buyers tax. Death of retail by 2020. Death of the department store by 2020. And that was 5 years ago. Unaffordable cities, brain drain. I'm talking about all the people that qualify or people that actually like maintain the cities are leaving. People forced into homelessness 5 years ago. So we've been actually talking about stuff here for many years, but why are we so shadow banned? Property tax hike coming across Canada. Canada to take on 400,000 more immigrants per year. Chinese investors, energy. So it keeps going out. Like young families leaving big cities. It keeps going out. Look, first-time home buyer loans, blah, blah, blah. Housing affordability is declining. Double-digit crash. People taking on too much debt. So this is something that we've been look, it goes on and on and on. Luckily, they haven't got to these videos. Millennials taking on too much debt. So I don't want to spend too much time on this, but check out the old videos on the channel, on the main channel that keeps getting strike down. Constantly getting strike down. Right before the protest, they struck me to 2 strikes, so I can't post anything on here. Very disappointed. And YouTube is on its way too, with Facebook, because everyone's going to be going. We're over on Odyssey. I'll leave the link below in the first comment. We did an incredible show of Mike in the Night. Uncensored. Callers swearing, calling in, what the I'm sick and tired. We can't do any of that stuff on, we couldn't do that on YouTube or Facebook. So really happy that Odyssey exists. Go down to Odyssey. Please subscribe to my channel. A lot of people that were kicked off of YouTube, I'm not going to name drop here, are on Odyssey. And they're growing on Odyssey because it's basically an open, provided you don't threaten people. I mean, you can make fun of people, like which we've been doing, making fun of Bill Gates' sweaters and Fauci's upper lip and all kinds of weird stuff. But yeah, they could sue us for defamation, but it's forming an opinion, according to the Royal Canadian Mounted Police here. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Looking forward to reading your comments. Where is Facebook headed? Have you deleted your Facebook account yet? I don't even know what to do with Facebook anymore. I post on there. No one sees anything. What's the point? So anyways, with 114,000, was it 112,000 or 114,000 followers? And they won't verify me. Why? Because I'm not a credible person. Because I went to church on Sunday. Let me know what you guys think. Lots of love. God bless.